If you're someone who has trouble waking up in the morning because you snooze and go right back to sleep, then this is for you. Hi, my name is Gabi.
Hi, I'm Dylan.
And this is our project for our engineering class.
So we decided to choose the problem of people not being able to get out of bed when they wake up. It's a huge problem and it's very unhealthy. You can miss appointments, you can miss classes, and it turns into a bad habit of you just sleeping till noon. I know I've been there. Some of you might have been there too. So we decided to create a system that basically forces the user to get out of bed.
The system basically does this by making the surroundings so uncomfortable that the user has to get off of bed and basically has to stay off of bed for a certain amount of time to deactivate our system.
The overall goal of our system is to create an environment around our subject here, Jimmy, so uncomfortable that he's forced to get out of bed. From his bed, Jimmy can view the time and is constantly being updated, and it also shows the alarm whether it is set or not. Once the live time reaches the alarm time, the system will go off. This means that the motor will pull his blanket off of his bed with a string connected to it, and then a light will turn on and stay on during the whole time of the alarm. Meanwhile, a buzzer will be going off, sounding a really annoying sound.
To deactivate our alarm, the user must get out of bed and stand in between these motion sensors for 3 seconds. When the alarm is deactivated, we have a sensor that detects the light in the room. If the sensor does not detect enough light, then our own light will turn on. If there is enough light in the room, then our light will turn off. You may be wondering how the user sets up the system. So first, they have to turn on the system. So now the system's telling us to go to the serial monitor for instructions.
So, on the user's laptop, they have a list of commands that tells them basically what to do, how to set it up. So first, they're going to want to put in the live time. So they first start with the year, 2023, it's March, so 3/11th, and then it's 16 o'clock, 17 minutes, and 25 seconds. Now it's displayed on the screen. And then they type 3 to set the alarm date and time. So they can make it whatever they want. If they want to get up at 20 o'clock, then they'll put in 20:00:00, and then they can go sleep. And then once it's 20 o'clock, the alarm will go off. For our alarm clock, the user can look on their computer and they can see if there's motion being sensed or if there's no motion being sensed while the alarm is going off. So, if the user stands in front of it, it tells you that motion is being sensed for 3 consecutive seconds, and then it tells you to have a great day.
So you may be wondering why our system is so small. It's just a prototype. So in the real system, the motor would be stronger so that it would put an actual blanket, and the light would shine brighter. And also the sensor would be have a larger range.
And they'll have to stand in front of it for longer.
So now we're going to do a POV of Jimmy the night before his big ECE-218 exam. So now Jimmy is going to turn on the alarm. Oh no, Jimmy can't see the screen. To see the screen, Jimmy has to turn this knob so you can see the screen better. Okay, now that Jimmy can see the screen, he's going to turn on the system again. Okay, so Jimmy sees that he has to go to the serial monitor for instructions and that the alarm is currently not set.
So now, Jimmy is going to have to set the live date and time. Now, he only has to do this once because the system is going to remember the time that it is and it's going to keep on updating it. Unless, it's daylight savings and he has to adjust the time by an hour. So he's gonna press 1, and he's gonna put in the year, 2023, month, the day, an hour. It's currently 9 o'clock at night. Jimmy's an early sleeper, so he's gonna put 19 o'clock, and the date and time has been set, and it is now being displayed on the screen, and it's constantly being updated. But the alarm is still not set. So Jimmy is gonna have to press 3 in order to set the alarm time. So he wants to get up at 9 a.m. the next day, so he's gonna put in 09 for the hour, 00 for the minutes, 00 for the seconds. Now, on the display, it says the alarm is set. And if he wants to double check what time he set the alarm for, he can just press 4, as instructed by the command right there, and it displays the alarm time. Good night, Jimmy.
See you in the morning. So now it's 10 seconds before Jimmy's alarm goes off. So now the motor is moving the blanket off the bed, the light is on, and the buzzer is ringing.
Now Jimmy is awoken because his alarm clock system is so annoying. The light is shining, lighting up his whole room. The buzzer is sounding off, creating an obnoxious noise. So now Jimmy has to stand in front of the motion sensors for 3 consecutive seconds, and now the buzzer is off. But the light is still on because there's not enough artificial light shining through the room or a light source on. So Jimmy turns on the light to his room, and our light is turned off.
Hi, my name is Jimmy, and I just got 100 in my ECE-218 exam. Just because I woke up on time and was there, and I had so much energy. Woohoo! Hi, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and that you would use our Wake and Shake 3000 for your exams to wake up early.
Thank
you for watching.